I've got to brace myself, love. It's too sunny, man. Don't fucking roll me, will you? Hi, mate. Gee, don't do that.
He's going to go from getting us.
And us.
Get in there, you plastic.
Let's look at the face of the man that's going to squash me. I'm never going to be able to hold this, am I? Am I going to be scared? Shall I shut my eyes?